my name is Tausif. I'm basically an animal rescuer based in Mangalore. I've been working for animals for the last 10 years in Mangalore. So it's been a long journey whereby I've done a lot of reactive things. Every time there's been an accident, you go and treat an animal or you shift an animal to a doctor. But these are a few proactive measures that are happening of late in Mangalore. So this being my third project in the last 1 year, the first project was basically based on reflective collars on street dogs to save dogs from accidents. After that, we ended up doing the home sweet home project whereby artificial nesting for birds was done. So now this is the third project which has recently come out, which will be distributed from the 20th of this month, which is basically aimed at providing drinking water for birds. We find a lot of birds and animals dehydrated and eventually dying a very painful death, especially in this harsh summer of Mangalore. So that's the basic idea, that we'll be providing 100 water bowls at absolutely free of cost. So people who are interested can come and contact us, take bowls as many as they want. You can place them in your balconies, you can place them in your gardens, you can place them in front of your house, wherever there are dogs coming in, cats coming in, or probably any small animals, birds coming in. So that's the basic idea. We're trying to make it as attractive as possible as well, so that it looks aesthetic in front of your houses as well. So it will come again in 3 different colors, blue, red and yellow. So please do come, please do collect balls from us. It's absolutely free. Of course, you'll have to spend just 2 minutes of your day, fill water in the bowl and see the beautiful birds and animals coming and quenching their thirst in front of your houses. And most importantly, something that I forgot to mention, if you are looking at extending your hand of help and reaching out to us and picking up bowls, you can reach out to me through Facebook. My Insta account is also there. You can reach out to me on my Insta account through Mr. Rescue, that is my Insta handle. Or you can inbox me on Facebook, Tausif Ahmad is my account. Or even better that you can do is, you can text Mangalore Meri Jaan. The page is supporting the wonderful cause. So you can reach out to us through these things. There are below details mentioned below. So you can reach out to any of these sources and pick up your balls, as many balls as you want. Thank you so much.